Hey everyone, this is Lolo Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a Pluck called Live in Berlin, and it sounds like this. If you want to check the MIDI, we can check the MIDI. And I'm going to control the mod wheel while we listen to everything. This is how it sounds like in solo with the mod wheel. Really cool sound if you want to listen to it in context again. Really cool sound that you can find over here in the description below in the Serum 2 Melodic Progressive Pack that you can find at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's get started with the sound design. We're going to start by initializing Serum, and we don't have any effects in it as well. In solo, you can see that there's no effects here. And if you want to keep on seeing the MIDI here, we can just watch the MIDI as we do everything. Now let's get started by getting this default saw wave. We're going to pretty much keep it as it is. We're going to turn the unison pretty much all the way up. See how it goes and becomes really wide. Now we're going to pick this detune level, put it a bit down. See how it becomes a bit more closed down, but now we're going to also pick the level, put it a bit down. And that's pretty much it for now. Now we also have to do the thing that makes the character of this sound, which is the filter. MG low 24. We're going to put the cutoff a bit down here. And as you can see that it starts to be a bit more filtered. Resonance all the way down, drive and fat all the way down. Now envelope 2, we're gonna go and make this into a pluck because we have to make the bump, 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 bump kind of sound out of this. So how do we make this? Now pick the decay, put it a bit down as well. We can't listen to anything because we have to assign this to here, to the cutoff. Somewhere like this. Now decay a little bit more up like this. Release also a bit more up. And you can already hear the plucky kind of sounds in the sound. Now we also have to go here into envelope 1 and make the release a bit bigger. And in addition to that, I'm missing a bit of noise, which you have to select here, A and noise. We're going to go and select a analog white, ARP white. Make this a bit quieter. Just so you can listen just to the noise. Creates a bit of without. Now we're also going to go here in the filter bus and I'm going to send this around this to the bus number 1. Why? Because we're doing a few effects in the bus number 1. First, we're going to do a reverb. We're going to put this all the way wet in a hole. Size a bit up. And decay also up. A bit of low cutting. And just to make sure that we don't have any low end in this reverb, because this bus is pretty much a reverb, we're going to go here, select an equalizer, low shelf, gain all the way down. Perfect. Now, in addition to that, we have to go here into the main and select a delay. Ping pong 1/16. Feedback and frequency as it is, but we're going to pick the Q and put it a bit down. And a bit more wet. In addition, reverb again. Hall. A bit more decay. A bit more wet. A bit less high. A bit less low. In addition to that, we're going to go and select an equalizer. Here we're just gonna boost a bit of the high end. Lastly, just to compress it a little bit, we barely hear any compression, but just in case this goes beyond this level, it's going to be compressed. Now, if you want to listen to this in context, and if you get the original preset, you can also see that it comes with a lot of macros, a lot of mod builds for you to do a lot of modulations in your sound. But again, let's listen to it in context. And that's it. If you like the preset, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Lil already from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.